Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're installing this Glass Screen Pro Premium Tempered Glass Explosion Proof cover. So the first thing you want to do is clean it really well. It does provide you with an alcohol swab in there, but I really like using a microfiber towel. These are brand new ones that I have, and I just put some glass cleaner on them, and as you can see, you can get them pretty much spotless here to the point where there's no fingerprints, no dust, nothing on it. So get it as clean as you can, because that's going to be important that nothing gets trapped underneath it. Inside it gives you all of the instructions, which we're following right now, to clean and peel back the cover and set it down on top. And so if you want to open up the other packages, like I said, it has an alcohol swab and then a little dust absorber pad that you could dab it with, but ours is perfectly clean. So we're going to go ahead and take this and peel the backing off it. So once you peel that back, make sure you do not touch it, because that's where the adhesive is, and it's evenly spread, so you don't want to mess anything up. So you'll see at the top of the phone is where the speaker is, and that's where this notch is at the top. So you just want to line it up here the best that you can so that it's perfectly straight, and use your fingertips to kind of gauge the edges is what I did, and I got it on there pretty good and straight. What you want to do is just line it up, and then as soon as you get it pretty much perfect, just drop it. After a few seconds, just run your finger from the top to the bottom, and this is a really cool part here. You can see it evenly spreading, and this will make sure that there are no bubbles or anything. So it will spread perfectly to the edges, and sometimes the edges are left with a little bit of bubbles, and so what you can do is just kind of rub them outward when you're done there, and after a minute or two, just let it set. Everything should be pretty well in place. So you can see here it turned out really well. There's no bubbles, there's no problems at all. It went on very smooth, very nice. And there are 3 of these in this particular one in case you do mess up. Next, you can replace your case if you had one, and what I like about this is you can see there's a little edge where the screen protector ends and this case begins, and that's good because if the case is touching it, it may rub against it pretty bad. I did notice too that it did not compromise the touch feel of the screen. Everything felt perfectly good, so I was really happy with how it turned out. Anyway, thanks for watching, and put in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.